Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is again Professor T-Rex, and in this video we will feature guys World of Defish. And if you will ask me what are the top NFT games that I have been following at the moment, one of those guys is the World of Defish. One of the major reasons is because I know the person who is incubating and supporting this one, and I know already the investors behind this game, but I cannot tell you yet because that's NDA. Okay, but rest assured guys that this NFT game is really legit and the team behind is credible. And also, guys, I'm going to host an AMA with a representative of World of Defish, so you have to prepare your best question at the moment for you to win some prizes during the AMA. Okay, so this time we will check out, guys, the features of their game and also check their white paper. Right, let's start. This is their main website. The link of their website is in the description box of this video for you to avoid phishing sites. And here they have farm, play, earn, and trade. So they have here 4 concepts. So go fishing and explore mysterious waters, compete with other players, improve your skills and upgrade equipment, catch your NFT fish, and sell it on the marketplace. Yeah. So get your starter gear, customize your inventory, explore nearby waters, and go for your rewards. Each zone has its own set of NFT fish, but catching them is not so easy. You will need good skills, equipment, and experience. So you have to catch here, guys, NFT fish. Okay? So yan yung pinaka-main concept niya. So here, you have to buy or craft your gear for catching fishes. And then you can level up or upgrade your gears. And then you can farm wood, or WOD, World of Defish Token, or catch NFT, okay? And then you can claim it, and then you can sell on the marketplace or stake for you to get a passive income. And then you can earn, of course, their token. Then you can use your earnings, guys, to upgrade and level up your gears more. And also here in the buy zones, okay, you can buy and then sell on marketplace again, and then you can earn, of course, in the buy zones. Okay, that's just a very simple infographic, guys, of their game. So they have here the features of their gameplay: play to earn, so fish in different areas of the map and earn WOD token. Okay, the amount of earnings depends on the level of the player, the rarity and quality of his equipment. So better, guys, if you have a good quality and rarity of equipment. So you really need to upgrade and level up your gears. And also you have to level up as a player, because the better, the higher the rewards you get as you go fishing. And then NFT fish, with some chance, players can catch NFT fish that they can. So this is by chance, guys. And then this NFT can be sold on the marketplace. You can also use it as a bait, and you can use it to stake for passive income, and you can just leave it in a collection if you want, if you are a collector. Then we have here, guys, zones. So NFT areas of maritime territory can be bought and sold on the marketplace. Okay, so NFT areas of maritime territory can be bought. So this is the buy zones. Okay, and then you can sell your NFTs, okay, to the marketplace. And then the owners earn passive income from all the catch that takes place in their territory. So maybe you as a player, if you want to catch more fishes, you can go to this territory. And as you go to their territory and catch fishes or catch NFTs or catch, earn WOD token, you have to like maybe give some commission to the owner of the territory. Okay, parang ganun yung kanyang concept, guys. So if you are an owner of a zone, then better, because you can get passive income. You don't have to go fish and go to other territories. So long as you have your own territory, then you can get passive income. So parang landlord din yung kanyang concept. So feature seasonal challenges to increase player engagement. So there will be seasonal challenges that we can look forward in the game, rank system or leaderboard. So this will allow players to compete with each other, and this will also open a competitive segment in the game. And then crafting mechanics for players who are not ready to invest money in the game. but are ready to invest their time. So you can craft, okay? Maybe you can collect some items, some materials, and then craft them if you don't have the money yet to invest in the game. So you can just craft your own. And then guild systems support and form a powerful community around the world. Defish brands. There is going to be a guild system, guys. So, very good. Very good ang game na to because they have that concept in the near future. So, really something to look forward. And then items, gear, rarity, and quality. So, each game item in the inventory and fish has its own characteristics, quality, and rarity, which will additionally determine the rarity and value of the item and its impact on the game. So, you have here artifact, legendary, epic, rare, uncommon, and common. So like this one, this is a fish NFT, Vegeta Legendary Mystery of Pools Lake, Bright Light Fish. She is able to make rich anyone who touches her. Wow, that's nice. She's able to make rich anyone who touches her. Okay, so the higher the quality, the rarity, of course, the better, guys. I mean, that's really the main concept naman, diba, sa mga NFT. Now, the roadmap. Okay. So they started Q3 of 2021. And then on Q4, we're going to have their pre-sale and TGE. And then demo, game launch, new features developments, and then the marketplace. And then by Q1 of 2022, guys, they're going to release the complete game, ranking systems, tournaments, oh my gosh, craft systems, and then major expansions, new territories, spear fishing, talent system, guild systems on Q3 of 2022. I guess this is 2022 supposedly. Global hunting, new game modes, challenges system, achievements, and quest system. Wow. And we're going to have their marketplace launched as well, wherein you can do trading. And these are the people behind. Actually, you can just check out their LinkedIn account if you want to know more about the people behind this project. Okay, so you can just check out their profile. Anyway, they are transparent naman, guys. And at the moment, they haven't disclosed yet their investors and partners. Pero soon, guys, i-announce din nila. At the moment, meron na silang mga backers, but I can't tell. I can't tell you guys. So let's wait for the official announcement. Okay. Ayan. So ito yung kanyang profile. Okay. Oy, guwapo. From Ukraine, guys. Guwapo. Mga guwapo. Oh. Tingnan ko nga dun sa ano niya. Oh, mas guwapo siya dito sa picture. How about this one? Let's mag-stalk tayo. Mag-stalk ng profiles. Saka yung isa din. Oh, from, I don't know where he's from. Ukraine as well. So, mga taga-Ukraine sila. So, 190 connections. Ayan. Taga-Ukraine din. Yeah, also Ukraine. Parang barkada. Uy, gwapo din, guys. Ayan. Oh, diba? Mga mistizo. Hindi sila Vietnamese, guys. Ayan, no, yung kanilang background, lead blockchain developer of Moment NFT, front-end engineer. So they have the same, similar na profile yung sa isa. Oh, co-founder siya ng Shuttle Software, oh. Ito naman siya is, oh yan, NFT full-time pa rin siya. Moment NFT pa rin siya. Same with the other one. Ayan, Moment NFT. Lead project manager ng Shuttle Software as well. So, para magbabarkada lang tong apat na to. Feeling ko lang. Diba? Okay. So, that's it. World of Defish. They also have their Medium, guys, if you want to know. If you want to read some of their articles. Okay, punta lang kayo sa kanilang Medium. Now, let's go to their white paper. Ayan. Ito ang kanilang white paper, guys. So, the World of Defish is a decentralized NFT gaming universe running on BSC blockchain. So, under siya, guys, sa BSC blockchain. Players will go to various places for fishing, go on a journey to the most beautiful and mysterious places to hunt for collectible NFT fish, upgrade your equipment, improve your skills, buy territories, wow, compete with other players, trade in the marketplace, and become the richest fisherman on the world of Defish. And so sa mga gustong maging fisherman dyan, mangingisda, this is the moment, guys. Or if you have the skill of being a fisherman, ayan, sana ma-apply natin dito no, sa game mismo. Anyway, about WOD, their token. So WOD coins can be mined in any area of the map. Okay, so mining yung kanyang concept. Regardless of the workload of the fishermen in the area, in order to start receiving wood, you just need to select any region on the map and go fishing. You can claim the reward at any time. So how to increase the amount of wood mine? Wood mine. The amount of wood loot depends on your equipment, skills, and level. Ayan. So ito yung tatlo na kailangan mong i-consider for you to get higher rewards. Higher quality equipment with a high level will allow you to get more wood per unit of time. Ganun naman talaga yung concept ng mining. If you have good equipment, then talagang mas malakas yung power of mining mo. Where can I use wood? Wood is used to make purchases on the marketplace. Leveling up and making upgrades also require the use of wood coins. Ayan. So marami siyang use cases, guys. So NFT fish, how to get NFT fish? The same as with wood mining. Catch of NFT fish depends on your equipment, also skills level and consumables. However, unlike wood mining, better equipment increases the chance of getting it, but doesn't guarantee it by 100%. Ayan. So by chance lang talaga, guys, yung NFT fish. So by chance lang talaga, guys, yung NFT fish. So, parang bonus na lang siya, no, sa, sa game experience mo. So, what are the types of fish in the game? So, we have rarity and quality. Fish are divided into zones: oceanic, marine, river, and lake. So, each type of fish has its own characteristics, quality, and rarity. Some fish can be found in all zones, and some are concentrated in certain zones. There is also an artifact type of fish that can be found everywhere, but you cannot find out where it lives, and it appears with a bit of very small chance. So the quality of the fish is indicated on a scale from 1 to 10, where 10 is the highest quality of fish, guys. So you have to take note of that. The rarity of fish are common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, and collectible. So what determines rarity and quality? The rarer the fish, the less often it is found in the catch, of course. The quality of the fish depends on the skills of the fisherman and the quality of his equipment. Ayan. So talagang mas maganda, guys, if you invest on the equipment and then you just keep on upgrading your equipment. Rare and higher quality fish are more expensive on the market. What can I use fish for? Ayan, ano ba yung value niya? Why do we have to value the fish NFT here? You can make money on the market by selling your prey or use the fish you get for bait. So fishing with bait is more efficient and gives an increased chance of getting better quality and rarity loot. Ayun. So, magiging advantage mo siya, guys, as you go for fishing. After using the fish as bait, it is removed from the inventory, and most importantly, you can stake also, guys, your NFT fish and, ayun, income, no? Passive income. Get passive income. So, staking. Yeah. So, in addition to being able to trade your catch in the marketplace, you can also stake your fish and receive a passive income. And it also depends on the quality and rarity. So, again, yun nga. You have to take note of those. So we have here map and zones, buying a zone. So each zone has its own price. It is dynamic, so magbabago-bago siya, and it's based on how many fish are in it now. So what is its quantity, quality, and rarity? Players can buy zones and trade them on the market. Each zone is an NFT. So para siyang land concept. And then what can I do with my zone? Owners can set an entry fee. Ayan, for fishermen, kolekta talaga dito. Hello, BIR, who wish to fish on their property. They can also take care of their zone, fill it with quality fish, and populate it with more rare species. So, pwede siyang mag-breed, no? Pwede ka makapag-breed dito, guys, ng fish if you want. Thus, owners who will invest time in caring for their property will increase the value of their zone and will be able to increase its price in the market or justly overcharge the rental price. Because if you have more fish on your territory, then of course there would be a lot of catch, no, for the fishermen who would like to fish on your territory. So mas magiging mahal talaga yung kanyang value. So if you are an owner of a territory, you have to focus instead on the taking care of your property or breeding of fishes or populating your area with more fishes instead of going to battles or instead of going to fishing rather. Diba? Very nice concept. I wish I could have my own zone here. Anyway, marketplace, ayan, trading, equipment. So these are the different equipments that we can use in fishing: rods, reel, line, hook, float, ayan. And then, how can I get the equipment? You can get equipment by buying it in the marketplace, exchange it directly with another player for participating in the activities of the world of Defish and crafting. Okay, so 3 ways sa marketplace: exchange with other player, for participating in the activities, and then you can also craft your own if you don't have the money to invest. So sa crafting, guys, wala pa. Roadmap and completed milestones. Okay, team, you can just check out their LinkedIn, advisors. Ayan. I already have an idea, but again, I can't tell you guys. Okay, vesting or allocation. So they have here their tokenomics. So 25% will be allocated for the play to earn, 14.6% for the team and advisory, 14.6% for the treasury, liquidity 11.7%, marketing 10%, pre-IDO 9.8%, private round 7%, 4.2% for the staking, I guess. And then 1.8% for the airdrop, and for the IDO is 1.5%. So a total of 600 million lang, guys, yung kanilang supply ng WOD token. Okay. Ayan siya. Diba? Tapos vesting schedule nila, yan, meron sila. So sa private, cliff siya for 1 month, and then 16 months yung kanyang vesting. Kung pre-IDO ka nakapasok, wala siyang cliff. Tapos 10% GE. And then linear siya. When you say linear, it's going to be daily for 12 months or for 1 year. And if you can join on the IDO 30% GE, then 6 weeks yung vesting. And sa team, 6 months yung kanilang cliff, unlock over 18 months. So that's like 1 year and 6 months. Treasury, 1 month cliff. Play to earn, unlock over 48 months. So that's like 4 years, right? 4 years. Airdrop also 4 years. Staking also 4 years. And 5% E on the liquidity. No lockup. Okay. So that's it, guys, about World of Defish. If I were to play this in the future, I would rather be a territory owner and just breed my fishes in my territory. Anyway, that's it. And if you want to know more, if you want to get updated, guys, about this game, you just have to go to their Telegram channel, follow them on Twitter, and also read some of their articles on their Medium. Okay, and also they have here this profile, LinkedIn profile. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, everyone. Bye.